today's video, I'll guide you through the process of adding contacts to Brevo from a WhatsApp chatbot. You can effortlessly collect user emails through the chatbot and automatically add them to your Brevo email list. Let's dive in and see how it's done. First, we need to create the HTTP API. To do this, navigate to Settings. Then, head over to HTTP API and select WhatsApp HTTP API. Click the Create button. Give your API a name and set the method to POST. Next, we have to add a test subscriber ID, which you can find in. Go to the Subscriber Manager, search for a subscriber, and copy the subscriber ID. Paste the ID into the subscriber ID field. Visit developers.brevo.com, navigate to Guides, and then select REST API Key Concepts. You'll find the URL mentioned in the descriptions. Go to the Request section and copy the URL. Now, return and paste this URL in the appropriate field. Now, add the header data. In the header key, enter content type. Make sure both C and T are capitalized. And set the header type to static value. For the header value, enter application/JSON. Next, add another header. For the header key, enter API key and set the header type to static. In the header value, we need to include the API key. To find this, go to your Brevo account, click on your account, and select SMTP in API. Then, go to API Keys, and click on Generate a New API Key button. Name the API key, click Generate, and copy the API key. Paste this into the header value. Now, in the body data, choose JSON, and enter the provided code. This will be in the description. Replace the email ID with the email variable, and change the name with the full name variable. These variables are custom field and system field that we use to store data on. Also, update the list ID if you want to add contacts to a specific list. For now, we are keeping this as it is. Next, click on the Verify Connection button, then click Load Data to check the raw data. This will generate an ID. After that, click Save API. Your campaign has now been created successfully. Now, let's move to the Bot Manager to create a new chatbot. Assign keywords and give the bot a name. Next, we'll add a user input flow. This flow will collect user emails, which will be added to the Brevo email list. Select Add New Input Flow and give it a name. Add a final reply for the user input flow. We'll set the question later. Next, add the HTTP API element to the bot. Double-click and select the campaign we just created. Then, go back to the user input flow and set up a question asking for the user's email address. Write a message prompting them to provide their email. Set the reply type to email and choose the custom field where the email will be saved. We used this custom field in the campaign. Save the bot flow. Now, let's test the campaign. The email address should be successfully added to the Brevo email list. And that's how you can collect emails using a WhatsApp chatbot and automatically save them to a Brevo email list.